The following is an Investor Brand Network audio production via our audio press release solutions. As a multifaceted financial news and publishing company, Investor Brand Network utilizes its network of more than 5,000 distribution partners as well as other corporate communication tools to introduce public and private companies to a wide audience of investors, consumers, journalists, and the general public. Investor Brand Network's platform connects the investment community with companies that have great potential and a strong dedication to building shareholder value. The following audio press release may feature a client partner of Investor Brand Network. Investor Brand Network may have been compensated for the production of this audio production. Please be sure to read our entire disclaimer for full disclosure.
Network Newswire presents Valour Inc, DeFi Technologies' wholly owned subsidiary, reaches record $250 million in assets under management, more than a $40 million asset increase since beginning of September. DeFi Technologies Incorporated, ticker symbol DEFTF, a technology company bridging the gap between traditional capital markets and decentralized finance, announced today that its wholly owned subsidiary Valour Inc, the pioneering issuer of digital asset exchange-traded products, has surpassed US $250 million, equivalent of 2.1 billion Swedish krona, in assets under management, or AUM. This achievement marks an exceptional first 10 months of 2021, as AUM increased more than 2,560% since the beginning of the year. In the last 30 days, AUM has increased more than $40 million US. DeFi's recently launched Valour Solana product has seen strong investor interest and inflows. With the imminent listing of Valour's ETPs on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange and Euronext, the company expects substantial additional growth of Valour's AUM. Quote, "This remarkable growth of Valour's assets under management is due in part to its dedicated leadership team, but also the increasing institutional investment demand for ETPs," said Russell Starr, Chief Executive Officer of DeFi Technologies. "We continue to be impressed with what the incredible team at Valour is doing to launch and make innovative ETPs available for those looking to participate in the rapidly growing DeFi sector and the next wave of financial innovation." End quote. Diana Biggs, Chief Executive Officer of Valour and incoming Chief Strategy Officer of DeFi Technologies, stated, quote, "We are extremely pleased with the continued growth of our AUM. The Valour team is looking forward to the introduction of additional products and exchange listings that will help broaden investor access to this exciting new asset class." End quote. Valour offers fully hedged digital asset exchange-traded products with low to zero management fees. Valour's Cardano, ADA, Polkadot, DOT, and Solana SOL ETPs were the first of their kind in the Nordics, and the lowest fee ADA, DOT, and SOL ETPs in the world. Valour Bitcoin Zero and Valour Ethereum Zero remain the first and only fully hedged passive investment product with Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, as underlyings which are completely fee-free, with competitors charging up to 2.5% in management fees. Learn more about DeFi Technologies and Valour at defi.tech and valour.com.
This audio press release is an original broadcast provided by Investor Brand Network, a multifaceted financial news and publishing company that delivers a new generation of corporate communication solutions, including news aggregation and syndication, social communication, and brand awareness tools. Investor Brand Network may receive payments for the services and solutions provided to its client partners. You should assume that the owners, officers, and directors of Investor Brand Network or financial analysts mentioned in this audio production may hold a position in and may intend to trade the securities on their own accounts. This audio production is not an offer or recommendation to buy or sell any securities mentioned in this audio production. The information in this broadcast is presented solely for informative purposes and is not intended to be or should it be construed as investment advice. As in all investments, investment in the featured companies carries an investment risk. Listeners should review the companies thoroughly with a registered investment advisor or registered stockbroker. This audio production by Investor Brand Network is not purported to be a complete study of the featured company or other companies mentioned. Information used and statements of fact have been obtained from featured companies and other sources but not verified nor guaranteed by Investor Brand Network as to completeness or accuracy. Such information is subject to change without notice. Please see our full disclaimers and disclosures at investorbrandnetwork.com.